How to find video caller ID settings on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find it easy and quick. First go to Truecaller and then click this icon here in the top corner, and now click this settings icon, and once you're here click this one, caller ID, and now scroll down and here is it. Here you can manage it, and that's it. Just go back, it will be saved. I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.